Hey guys, it's Technology back on a video, and today we'll be restoring these two broken phones. So what I have here is two iPhones, an iPhone 5 in black and slate and an iPhone 5s in silver. So both of these phones have some small faults here and there which I want to look into and fix in this video so that it can be sold on and have a new life in someone else's hands. So today we'll be starting with the iPhone 5s first. As you can see, the screen is totally total. You can't see anything on there, although surprisingly the glass isn't cracked. The LCD panel itself is completely busted and we can't see anything on the screen except a couple of white lines. But then if I hook the phone up to my Mac, we can use QuickTime Player to mirror the display onto my Mac. As the touchscreen portion is still working, I was still able to navigate through the phone, and as you can see, this is a 16GB iPhone 5s running iOS 12.1. So today we'll be replacing the screen on that iPhone 5s. It is completely broken and you can't see a single thing on it. Now this is the new LCD screen that I got for my iPhone 5s, and this screen cost $23 and the phone itself costed $20. So in total $43, which is not too bad for an iPhone 5s at this point of time. And also unboxing was a little difficult, as you can tell, but once we got the screen out, you can see that it included a screen, which of course that's what I ordered, but also it included a glass screen protector as well, which I was not expecting, so it was a pleasant surprise. So with that out of the way, now let's start the repair process. And let's enter time-lapse mode. So I usually won't talk much during these time-lapse process, but one very important point that I have to point out is that once you enter the phone, no matter what phone, the first thing that you must absolutely do is disconnect the battery to prevent shorting out the phone and causing your phone to be absolutely dead and fried. So after transferring everything from the old screen onto the new one, I can install the new screen back in and we can finally see something on the phone. As it seems to boot fine and everything seems to be functioning as expected, I proceed to install back all the brackets and screws and closing the phone back up. And there we have it, the iPhone 5s is restored back into its former glory in a working condition. Now I gotta say, this phone is still really capable in 2019, although Apple has just dropped its support for iOS 13. So now let's move on to the iPhone 5. So here's the iPhone 5 itself, and as you can see, there is no screen on it currently because the screen that was previously on it had some issues. The brightness wouldn't change and it was the wrong color. It was white instead of black. So here's the brand new screen that I got for $21 from the same seller, and this time it doesn't include a screen protector, but oh well, I just need the screen anyways, not the screen protector. And as this one doesn't actually have a screen on it at the current moment, I'll take a fully assembled screen, but the LCD panel is actually damaged, so I'll take all the parts off of that and put it onto the brand new screen to be installed onto this iPhone 5. After I'm done installing the parts from the broken screen into the new screen, I can install the new screen back into the iPhone 5 to test it out, and as you can see, everything was functional. So I powered the phone back off to close the phone back up together. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry for the lack of uploads recently. I'll try to upload more, but a like and a subscribe will be much appreciated, and also comment down below what you want to see in my next video. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video.